my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I have something special for you, something that I really love, and I just want to share it with you. Join me for this show. Toronto car show. So we are at the, oh my goodness, the Toronto car show is very much in my blood, but this one is very special, as I said before. So this is the Toronto Motorcycle Supershow, and we are here to give you a tour of everything motorcycle. Everything. So come and enjoy with me. All right? Wow, what is that? Let's check it out. Imagine how surprised I was upon seeing this astounding slingshot. Yes, slingshot. The only slingshot I knew was when I was growing up as a child in Jamaica. We made out of tree branches a Y-shaped slingshot to shoot birds. I started to examine this unique evolution of a motorcycle and a car. Its interior and exterior was of vibrant bright blue lights that moves and glows with each stir I made. This was truly a masterpiece that I could not resist but had to know more. So I engaged Mr. and Mrs. Bartell, who were there with the vehicle. I found out from Roy Bartell, the owner, that a regular Polaris slingshot was purchased from Peakpowersports, and he custom designed it into this enhanced and improved Blue Lightning 2023 Slingshot R Auto Drive in Miami Blue, which is loaded with 2000 LEDs beauty to offer a thrilling driving experience. Would love that. Imagine how ecstatic I felt when Mrs. Bartell asked if I wanted to sit in this baby of theirs. thanks to this lovely couple who made my experience at the Spring Toronto Motor Supershow even more awesome. Don't be surprised if you see this beauty on the roads of Toronto delivering an exhilarating and unforgettable driving experience. I was blown away.
So we're going to try the Back Plus world-class massage technology here. All right, and then take a seat and get some back massage. Yeah. Oh. All right. Say hi, Andy. How it feels?
Excellent for the back.
Lean forward first a little bit. Lean forward. Come on back. All right. There. She's fixing us up to enjoying the back massage. Whoa! It penetrates in my back very well. Really nice.
After a hard day,
Yeah.
this really do the job.
Yes. You get home, you just relax in this and let it move up and down your spine, and you feel so relieved from any tension that you were feeling. If you work hard, get one of these. Alright? Alright. Nice. I don't even want to get up, but I know I have to, because there's so many more places that I want to, so many more bikes that I want to show to you. Alright? Thank you so much. Again?
Renfern.ca.
Renfern.ca. Okay, let me see. That's it. Alright? Alright. Thank you so much. Motorcycle Show, Super Show. It has been a great time. I have enjoyed myself to the max. This is my thing. I love motorcycles, and hopefully one day I'll own one. You see the many bikes, helmets, gears, you know, awesome. Had a wonderful time. It was so good. I had to get ice cream to cool me down. So thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking, and thank you so much for sharing. Do have a wonderful evening. Bye for now.
This is a beautiful year for me, and God is able to do exceedingly abundantly more than my desire. This is a beautiful year for me, and God is able to do exceedingly abundantly more than my desire.
We are leaving the Spring Toronto Motorcycle Super Show. Can you imagine? Oh my gosh. It was awesome. Hey Ryder, how you doing? Oh my gosh, I remember those days when I used to ride my bike. I used to put my father's bike. So make sure you're geared up whenever you come on the road, because riding a bike is no joke. All right, so I already put the warning out there, but it's nice. Being on the bike is a nice feeling. All right, nice. Waiting for it to move off. All right, here we go.